people. Just want to let you know, if you have a Toyota product, whether it's a RAV4, a Venza, Highlander, Camry, Scion TC, any of the 2AR-FE motors, which is the 2.5 liter, or the 1AR-FE, which is the 2.7 liter. These are both 4-cylinder motors by Toyota. If you're hearing this noise, hopefully you can hear it. The noise is not coming from the motor itself, but coming from down here. Underneath your alternator is your water pump. It's a common noise on these Toyota products. So I'll be replacing the water pump in this vehicle and show you that the noise goes away. So like I said, if you have any of these Toyota products, the Venza, the Highlander, which is the 2.7 liter 4-cylinders, or the Camry, the RAV4, the Scion TC, which is the 2.5 liter 4-cylinders, they all use the same exact water pump, and it's pretty common for them to either make noise like this one does. It's that rotating kind of noise. Or also sometimes they even leak coolant. So stay tuned, and after we replace it, I'll show you the noise goes away. Alright, also to help verify the noise, what I did was I put a 14 millimeter open-end boxed-in wrench on this bolt here. It's the tensioner. You just put pressure on the tensioner. I took this belt off, which the belt runs the water pump. Here you can kind of see the pulley of the water pump. You can, on my scenario, the water pump actually has a little bit of, this pulley has a little bit of play. You probably can't see it. There you can kind of see a little bit. You can see that's the water pump pulley. And so I took off both of the serpentine, or I'm sorry, the drive belts, serpentine belts, whatever you want to call them. And I'll start the car just to show you that the noise is gone. And that's why that I'm replacing the water pump. It just sounds like a regular 4-cylinder. Hope this is helping you guys.